An Indian national was caught shoving a 10-kilogram bag of methamphetamine valued at 2.51 million ringgit under a microwave in a box in a lousy attempt to smuggle drugs into Malaysia. The 42-year-old man, who works as a cleaner at the low-cost carrier terminal of the Kuala Lumpur International Airport a decade earlier, is one of 4 people nabbed by customs officers for attempting to smuggle the drug earlier this week. KLIA Customs Deputy Director Siti Baya Barahan says the suspect with the microwave, who arrived at the LCCT from Kolkata, India at around midnight Sunday, aroused suspicion when the box tipped the scales at over 10 kilograms.
Di atas dia microwave, di bawah kotak tu dia letak syabu tu kan. Jadi berat tu tidak munasabah lah. Sebab yang tu yang 10 kilo tu, syabu yang kita dapati 10.5 kilo tadi kes kedua tu. 10.05 kg. Microwave kan yang berat sangat kan.
Another Indian national who arrived at the same flight was also detained when a suspicious image cropped up while customs officers scanned his luggage.
Hasil investigasi mendapati beliau membawa dadah jenis metamphetamine yang berat kasarnya 5.04 kg bernilai 1.26 juta.
A third Indian national, this time flying in from Bangalore, India, was caught at the LCCT passenger checkpoint at 2 a.m. on Monday following a scan of his luggage. The fourth suspect was a 22-year-old Nigerian who had hidden some 500 grams of the same drug worth 125,000 ringgit in a special compartment of his luggage. All 4 suspects have been remanded for 14 days under Section 39B of the Dangerous Drugs Act 1952, which carries the death penalty if found guilty.